Well, happy 4th of July, everybody. We're gonna say goodbye to Elmo here. Any last words? This is a TNT 300 aerial launch fireworks. That's what we're gonna do here. That. Anyway, we're gonna light this bad boy up and see him get fried. And I'm going to run. Run! Oh gosh. Okay, now it's really starting to catch on fire. Yeah. That tickles. Whoa, crap, get away, get away, get away! There, a firework started. Oh dear! A firework started. Wow, he's getting more burned than I thought. Oh, let's burn him out a little more. Oh, the voice spot. Oh, that's creepy.
That is really creepy.
All right. Oh, man. Oh, creepy.
Not for the...
Well, it fried that.
With the water